Howdy guys, so we're going to fix a pretty common AC compressor leak here. There's basically just a 12 millimeter bolt right here that you can pull out right below this high pressure line. Pull that guy out, and then this is the old one that was on there. It was all cracked and everything, as you can see. And then we went ahead and got this kit here so that we could pick one out that worked for it. I don't remember which one it was exactly. I think it was this bottom one. So this A11 or whatever that is, in case you don't want to buy the whole kit. And then we're gonna lube it up with some oil or whatever. The whole reason we're doing this is because we're using the AC refill thing, and while we were trying to do that the first time, we could hear it and actually see it a little bit coming out of this port right here. So we got a little bit of oil on this guy, and we put it back on there, and you should feel like some resistance when you put it back on there. Yeah, so that guy should be good to go. Obviously we'll test it when we go to refill it and everything, make sure it's not still leaking, but that's that for you.